Here's a cost-effective hack for storing and transporting your clothing during a move. Get a large carton of the extra large garbage bags. These I bought from Sam's. A handful of tie wraps that are about 8 inches long and a pair of scissors. Open the bag at the opening and let in some air so you can get to the end. Just want to make sure that you open up the side that doesn't have an opening a little bit so you don't accidentally cut too much. Then you fold your bag in half. So if the bag is like this, you fold it in half at the end that does not open, like so. Take your scissors and go to the middle of the folded section and cut about 1 inch hole through both sides. Now, open back up your bag from the open side. This becomes a wardrobe bag for you to transport your clothes. Pack clothes first that are out of season, like these. Take your tie wrap and secure your hangers around the end if you have a bump that keeps them connected, or through the middles if you don't, if you have plastic hangers. Feed your bag over the clothes and through the hole that you cut in the top. And last, push all the ends of your clothes up and pull the drawstrings on the bottom of the bag to secure. And I like to tie it with a nice little bow that can be easily undone. Now you can either pack these in a box or you can transport them just like this. Either way, they'll be protected, and it's a lot less money to do it like this than to buy a $14 wardrobe box. I only have about 100 more of these to do. This is an especially great tip to remember if you're downsizing like we are. Consider reaching out to your buyer through the realtors to see if they want any of your furniture that you don't want to move. I bought this 3-piece dresser set specifically for my shoes and handbags and in this room, because this is a big room. And if someone is going from a smaller house to a larger house, they might actually want to have or need to have more furniture to fill up their new home. So you can either reach out to them through the realtor and ask them if they would like to have the item or possibly even purchase the item. My home buyer, I reached out to them to ask if she wanted this, and she did. She's so thrilled to have it, and I'm so thrilled to not have to move it. This piece right here could cost hundreds in weight if you hire movers to move it. So I'm super happy to leave it, and my buyer feels like she's getting something of extra value for nothing. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, as always, to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you haven't already done those things. And keep in mind too that I haven't had any comments enabled on my channel for so long. YouTube disabled them with COPA because of some old children's videos that I had privately shared with my family. So I'm really looking forward to hearing what you have to say. I really miss the interaction with you guys, and I really appreciate it. So thank you, and I'll see you back here very soon.